Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Jensen and I live on Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Welcome to Jensen DIY. This is my new YouTube channel. I figured it was time to do an introductory video. I've had the channel for a couple of months. I'm a journeyman plumber. I was in the trade for nearly 25 years. 20 of that I had my own business, and then I got out of plumbing and got more into property maintenance. The reason I've started this channel is because I've watched YouTube for years, and I've learned a lot from YouTube, and I've saved a lot of money by doing things myself. So I want to pass on as much knowledge as I can to you, and hopefully help you save some money as well. I've got lots of ideas for videos. Most of my videos are going to be plumbing related, but there's also going to be other videos, outside projects, and maybe the odd video that really doesn't have anything to do with DIY. And I would like to just keep on making videos for many years to come, as long as you all out there in the world enjoy them. So check out my videos. I'm going to try and do at least 1 or 2 a week. To all the people that view my videos around the world, I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate you watching. If any of you have any ideas for videos, then let me know in the comments, and I'll try and do them. Thanks again for watching.